Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're gonna make beautiful snacks from potato peels. Please remember to subscribe if you are new here. Thanks. You can eat this snack with any kind of salad. For me, I gonna use only onion.
Very yummy. Ntiwahaho n'umwana wawe. Ntimukajugunye ibishishwa by'ibirayi. Please wash them before fixing them, before taking away the skin, and then you can make a very beautiful, very yummy snacks. So keep in touch, guys. Remember to subscribe if it is your first time to this channel. I love you guys. Peace. Bye.